In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Germany to India in Amazon.de on PC. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to Amazon.de. Once the site loads, click Sign in and log into your Amazon account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before changing any location settings, because your address and region preferences are tied to that account. After you're logged in, go to the top left area of the Amazon.de homepage near the Amazon logo and click the Delivery Location option. This is where Amazon decides which products can be delivered to you and which local settings to show. When the location window opens, click Change. Then enter your Indian address details carefully. Set the country to India and fill in the rest of the address information, including the full name, street address, city, state, and PIN code. You'll also be asked for a phone number, so enter your own current contact number there. Once everything looks correct, click Apply or Save to update the delivery location. Next, update your default address in your account. Move to Account and Lists, then open your addresses. From there, click Add Address and enter your India address again if needed. This part is important because it helps Amazon use your Indian address as the main one for future orders. After entering the address, select Make Default, then save your changes. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the Amazon.de page. Look for the flag icon or the country and region option. Click it, then select India. In many cases, Amazon will redirect you from Amazon.de to Amazon.in. That's normal, and it usually means the region change is being applied correctly. If you're redirected to Amazon India, sign in again using the same Amazon account if that option is available. Once you're in, confirm that your India delivery address is selected. You should also review your payment method, language preference, and delivery details so everything matches your location in India. This helps avoid checkout issues later. Finally, confirm that the location change worked. Search for any product and check a few key details. Prices should appear in Indian rupees, delivery options should be for India, and the product page should show that items can be shipped to your selected address. If you see all of that, then your Amazon location has been successfully changed from Germany to India. And that's it. You're all set to browse and shop with India-based delivery settings on your PC.